If you are using Windows 11 and want to view your product key, there are a couple of simple methods to do it. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This step is important because without administrative privileges, the command will not work. Now, type the following command and press Enter. Don't worry, I'll include this command in the video description for your convenience. If your device came with Windows pre-installed, the original product key should appear instantly on the next line. This is the key embedded in your system by the manufacturer, and it can be used for reinstallation if needed. However, if the command does not return any value, it means your copy of Windows 11 is activated using a digital license linked to your Microsoft account instead of a physical key. In that case, you will need to install ShowKeyPlus software from the Microsoft Store. To do this, open the Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and launch it. In the store's search bar, type ShowKeyPlus and click on Get to install. The process may take a few minutes. Once installed, click Open. And that's it. You will see your Windows product key displayed on the main screen under Installed Key. In my case, since I installed without a key, it shows a default key instead. That's all for today. Now you know how to easily check your Windows 11 product key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mara's Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.